Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Sorry for did not upload my videos for so long. And yeah, so today, sorry for the mess. I just installed a new flooring in my flat. And today we're going to talk about the Bose 700 Module Subwoofer, which is this. So, about a month ago, I start to hear like popping noise, like pop, pop, pop. And the volume start to go down as well as it pops, and then it straight away comes back. It takes about a second for it to pop and the sound to go, the sound volume to go down and up. So pop, pop, and then it goes again, works normally, and pop, pop again. So I didn't understand what's going on. I called Bose. So they said to reset, to disconnect everything, then to connect back. So if you're familiar with Bose, you probably went through the same stuff that they recommend, but obviously nothing worked. So I started to do my research online, what's going on. So many people had the same issue, but I couldn't find what's really wrong. Some suggest to get the wire connection. This is wirelessly connected. It always was my Bose subwoofer. So yeah, so what I did, I called for Bose, explained the situation. So they said they're gonna send me the wire to connect directly to soundbar without wirelessly, for it to be wired actually to the soundbar, because that's what some people suggested online. And so yeah, Bose said they're gonna send me the wire for free, which was 2 days ago. But what I came up with online, again reading the comments and people experiencing the same issue, some guy, I think that was a Google review, it said it solved the popping issue. So the problem was the router, the actual internet router. So not long time ago, BT moved me to the EE because they work together if you are in UK. So what EE did, they sent me the better router. Apparently it's faster, which it was not faster at all. But yeah, so I changed the router. So, and somewhere at that time, the popping started of my subwoofer. So what I did today, I moved back to my old BT router. And I'm listening to music and there is no popping. For a good hour or more, no popping noise. And the whole system started to work better. So what it was, well, I hope it's not gonna pop, but it usually pops straight away constantly. But it doesn't do that anymore. So what it was, I think the wireless connection was interfering with the EE router. And yeah, it does not do that anymore. And I'm very happy that I don't have to send my Bose sub to Bose, because the repair of it would be like 6 weeks, they said. I mean, it's crazy, 6 weeks. Imagine that, sending down your sub. And without the sub, as you know, if you watch my previous video, the sound on its own, it's no good at all. So yeah, I hope that's solved for you. So buy a new router or go back to your old one. This is fast router as well. You see, this is not a slow router. And yeah, so I really do recommend to change down your router, and the popping noise will go away. So yeah, if you're following my channel, it's gonna be new video about my new Samsung TV 75-inch. Gonna be everything you see on my videos is genuine because I own the stuff. No one paid me to review them. So it's my own, so it's always genuine review. And another video is gonna be about Aqua True water filter and my new Sage coffee machine. So stay connected, subscribe to get a genuine review about the products. You have a great day.